Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Beyond Meat Incorporation, ticker BYND. Beyond Meat is a company that focuses on plant-based food products. They create alternatives to traditional meat using ingre- plant ingredients, targeting consumers who want healthier or more sustainable food options. Their products include plant-based burgers, sausage, and other meat substitutes that are designed to look and taste similar to real meat. The company operates in a growing industry where more people are becoming conscientious about health, environment, and animal welfare. This shift in consumer behavior has created opportunities for companies like Beyond Meat. However, the competition in this space is increasing rapidly with many new brands entering the plant-based food market. Now let's talk about the future of the company. The future of Beyond Meat depends on several factors. First, the adoption rate of plant-based diets globally. If more consumers continue to shift toward alternative proteins, the company could benefit from long-term demand. Second, innovation plays a key role. The company needs to improve taste, texture, and pricing competitiveness to stay relevant. Third, partnerships with restaurants and retail chains can help expand their reach. At the same time, there are challenges. Competition is rising, and maintaining brand identity is becoming harder. Also, consumer trends can change quickly, so consistency in demand is something to watch. Now, let's move to chart analysis. Looking at the recent price movement, the stock has been in a downward trend. The chart shows lower highs and lower lows, which indicates bearish momentum. In the short term, there was a slight attempt to recover, but it struggled to maintain upward movement. The key observation here is that the stock is trading near its lower range, which can sometimes act as a support zone. However, until we see a strong breakout with higher highs, the trend remains weak. Volume activity also appears moderate, which suggests limited strong buying interest at the moment. For a potential trend reversal, the stock would need to break above previous resistance levels and sustain that moment. This video is only for educational purposes. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.